So guys, karibuni tena to Dogoto Online Media. So we have the MCA for Kikuyu Ward. MCA, karibu sana.
Asante.
So maybe you'll just introduce yourself to the people.
So my name is James Kamau. Watu wengi wananijua kama Foro. By the grace of God, I serve the people of Kikuyu Ward as their representative, the member of the County Assembly of Kiambu, representing Kikuyu Ward.
Na tumefurahia sana na pia tumefurahia sana na the sports.
Yes.
So ni nini likumotivate sana hadi come up with the sport bonanza?
Number one, since when I was young, football has always been my passion. I have been in football for my entire life. Before I became MCA, I was the chairman of football in this region. So yes, football is in my DNA. So it's a passion. That's a motivation. But basically for Kikuyu Ward, my motivation is that we need to keep our boys busy. We need to harness the talent at a young age. And we also need to support our clubs that are playing in the leagues. And one of the ways is ensuring that we bring them together so that the team managers and the coaches can have an opportunity to identify the talented boys that have not been picked.
So mwonaje game ya leo?
Game ya leo imeshika. I'm a bit surprised because tumeifanya haraka. So the talent is there. Na nimenote watu wengine wajafanya mazoezi. I've been in football long enough to know that some of the teams have not been training. And I understand it's because of challenges of grounds. Because hapa Kikuyu Ward isipokuwa hii grau, Thirime Primary na Magutuine ama Dogoto Model na Pwea hatuna viwanja because Kikuyu Day imefungwa. Teams za nje haziingii huko. Pwea pia kidogo watu waingie huko ndani. But nimesikizana na ofisi ya Kikuyu. Tutafanya mipango. Pwea wako na shamba nje ya the institution. So when that pitch is done, we are going to partner tuhakikisha ya kwamba imefanywa ili watu wapate mahali pa kufanyia zoezi.
That's good. Actually umejibu swali yangu yenye nataka kukuuliza what you do with the challenges. And then so nimeona pia there's some awards for the position 1, position 2.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you can touch on that.
Maybe it's important I build the background. When I won the MCA seat, I approached a friend mwenye ameamua kukaa anonymous. Nikamwambia nisaidie kusaidia vijana. Akanibaia 15 uniforms for 16 teams. 15 sets, a set of 15 pieces each. Nikapatia hizi teams na a ball each. Then wakaamua kucheza. Nikaenda kwake nikamwambia wanasema wanataka kucheza, so akanipatia another 150,000. So today tukasema tutawabaia ball na 50k, alafu 100,000 tunawapea kama cash award na tuna divide. Number 1 anakula 30,000 for today's, number 2 anakula 24, number 3 anakula 16, number 4 anakula 10, then number 5 to 8 wanaenda home na 5k each. So and every team shall get a ball. Team yote yenye imecheza leo.
Okay, so are you planning to have the same sport bonanza in the future?
I'm planning to help them get a sponsor for the league. There is an ongoing league for Kikuyu Ward. But again, I'm thinking whether 1st June naweza pata sponsor because ni holiday. Tukipata tucheze, approach a few corporates tuone kama tunaweza pata another bonanza. But I'm guaranteeing them that on 10th October tutafanya 10th ama 20th October tutasikizana na wao. There is a guarantee tutakuwa na another bonanza. But for first hatuja confirm we are looking for partners. And if you people can sponsor, we can even declare it today.
Oh, thank you. You're very ready. So thank you so much.
Yes.
Because so watu wanakupenda and they're so happy. And it's a good thing that you're supporting the young people. Especially in this era. A lot of young men wanna engage in drugs and everything. But you coming up with this initiative and supporting them, it's actually a good thing.
Actually, leo nikikuja hapa nimetoka Kireti and I was in a meeting and people are crying about security. Same case as Kehunguro. And one of the reasons our youths are getting into crime is because of drugs and substance abuse. And that's a vice we must fight together as a society. And one of the ways of engaging these youths is through sport. Because you can imagine someone who is playing football. From Monday to Saturday ako zoezi, Sunday ako game. Amechoka, hana hiyo time ya kwenda kufanya hayo maneno mbaya. So I'm calling upon all corporates that could be watching us, all individuals who can spare a coin or two to come and support these youths in football and even youth activities, things that will keep our boys and even the girl child busy and away from crime.
Especially the girl child. But I know you're working on it. So thank you so much.
Yes.
Is there anything that you want to touch that you have not asked?
Well, I don't know. Today we had dedicated the day to sports.
Yes.
But I believe those who are watching us would want to know what we are doing development-wise.
Yes.
Things are not easy, especially on matters roads, especially here in Thogoto.
Yes.
But I can tell you it's work in progress. Tulianza na hii hosi ya Thogoto. That was the first promise that I made to the people of Thogoto, that we are going to finish Thogoto Level 4 Hospital. And iko 90%. Sasa hii ni kuequip na kuleta staff, kazi ifanyike. Tumejenga ECD in all our centers. In Thogoto, we've done at Thogoto Model, we've done at Thogoto Primary, we've done here at Thirime, we've done at Faraniki and Dagoretti. To commit up, because we are 2.5 years in office. We are done with the infrastructure now. We are going to roads, and even as we look for employment opportunities for our young people, and for those when you wametoka college, when you wametoka Form 4, let us embrace technology. There is a lot of money in technology. Now, I want to thank Thogoto Media. You guys are doing well. The online media team.
Thank you.
You need to encourage our youth to start making money. Wabonyeze, wapate pesa.
Yeah.
Asante sana.
Asante sana. Thank you so much, MCA. So guys, see you later.